Hello, future entrepreneurs. My name is Edward. I'm making this quick video to show you guys how you get your account set up and activated so you can start working and earning income today. Now, the name of this program is called Level Rewards, and we are partnered with Fortune 500 companies, places like Walmart, Ford, GoDaddy, Netflix, Hulu. And right now these companies, they're looking for individuals like you and me to post ads and promote some of their products and services. So really they're looking for independent referral affiliates. Okay. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to get set up and be an affiliate of the program so you can start working and earning income. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take you guys over here to our group. This will be a group that you'll be added to once you begin working. And as you can see, starting from today, yesterday, it's not only me earning income, it's everyone else earning income as well, guys. So just want to show you guys some of the payment proofs that's being sent from everyone. We have over 36,000 members in the group. So as you can see, we've been earning income with this program for some time. Okay, these companies do pay out, so I wanted to show you guys what is possible for you if you decide to start working with this. Okay, so if you want to get started, it is totally free. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through how to get your account activated. So if you want to follow along, you're more than welcome to do that. Okay, so now once you come down here and register, you're going to be at level 0. Okay, and what we want to do is get to level 1, where we're going to earn $5, as you can see right here. Once you get to level 1, you will earn $5. Okay, and you'll get to level 1 by completing one sponsor offer. Okay, one free trial. Okay, and that will get you at $5. Okay, so once you get to $5, you can get out here and start working and start posting ads. Now, if you want to earn more money than that, than $5, then you would position yourself to be at level 5. Okay, and you're going to earn $25 per person per referral. Okay, it's very easy to do, and it can go up, to a level 30, as high as $150 as you can see here. Okay, so there should be a link underneath this video for you to register. So you want to come here, you want to enter in your email address, okay, your username, password, confirm your password. Okay, make sure this is a real email address. This will be the same one that you'll be using, they'll be sending payments to as well. Okay, so once you register your account, it's going to take you to the offers page. Okay, so all you would need to do is come here. Now, in order to be eligible and start working, and start posting ads for the company or start earning, you will need to be at level 1 or higher. Okay, so right now you'll be only at level 0 just because you just came in. Okay, so what we need to do is get to level 1, and all we need is 1 credit to do that. Okay, so what we want to do, we will just come down here and we will find a free offer that we could do. Okay, this one is free. ClickScores is free. Triangle Cash, there's no credit card required. It is not going to cost you anything, guys, to do these offers. Okay, it's just the time to do it. Okay, so you want to come down here and you want to find you a free offer. Here's eVoice. I completed this one myself. Now this offer here, guys, will get you into the program. Nielsen Rewards is very easy to do. Basically there's no credit card required for this one, and the credit value is at 1. So you'll be at level 1, okay? And so you'll earn that $5. So there are tons of offer here, guys, that you can do, okay, to level up, to be at the highest level. And you would need to do this just one time. And then once you complete the offer, you're done, okay? Here's Credit Sesame. Okay, no credit card required. But you're going to need, this one is valued at only 0.15. So you would need to do, 75 more, or 85, I'm sorry, more credits to be able to get to level 1. Okay, or if you came in and you completed the 7-day trial and you kept it for, pretty much, if you have a trial, you want to keep it for a minimum of 20 days or majority of the trial. Like this is a 7-day trial. So you at least keep this up to only 5 days, and then you would just cancel within the 5 days, okay? And it would be free. This will position you at 2 credits, okay? So you will be at level 2, so you will earn $10, okay, per referral. So it's basically on how much money do you want to make, okay? But if you want to get in, start working quickly, come down here to the Nielsen Rewards and complete this offer, and you will start earning $5, okay, per person for the ads that you post. Okay, it's all about how much, how much money do you want to make. Me personally, I'm at level 8, so let me go ahead and log into my account, to my back office, just kind of show you guys around. Well, now after you level up, right, and you get to level 1, okay, you want to come down here to the offers, and you want to find you another free offer, okay? And you want to level up to at least level 5, because if you get to level 5, you get a free bonus level. So they'll skip you up. They'll skip you 1 level, okay? So you'll really be at level, you'll get level 6. So you'll really be at level 7, okay? If you get to level 5 on your first day. So I encourage everyone to get to level 5, and to level 5 is very easy, okay? To get to level 5, all you would need to do is come down here, okay? You want to just filter out, let's just filter out free offers like we did, okay? Look, none of these are credit cards, so we have eVoice, well, we have Survey Rewards, we have Nielsen Rewards, that's 2 credits, that's $10, okay? This is the moving storage. All you would need to do is call them and ask them how much would it be to make a move from your place to maybe another state that you would, wouldn't mind moving, and ask them how much that would be. Just basically you would inquire about their services, and that's it. You don't actually have to order anything. It's free. It's a phone call. That's going to get you 0.50. Okay, I did that one myself. Satellite TV, this is the same with this one. This is, you click on this one, okay, and then all you would need to do is follow the requirements. So, and on the requirements, once you complete this offer, well, I cannot complete it. Okay, I've already completed this one. So what you would do is when you call them, you basically want to inquire about their services and ask how much would it be to get their service. You want to keep them on the phone for at least 2 minutes. You keep them on for the phone for at least 2 minutes, then you have received your credit, okay? So that's basically what I would advise for you, and that's, I've showed you pretty much about 3 credits so far. So that'll get you at least a $15 payout, for free, for you can get in and start working, okay? Now once you get in, you're going to get your own referral links that you'll use in the script. So you're going to complete a training. You're going to complete this training program here, okay? It's a fast start training. There's going to be videos that you will go through, okay? A lot of great information on there for you. Ad templates that you can use, okay? That you can just plug in your links and you'll be able to use those templates, okay? And then you want to come down here and click next, okay? And then it'll take you over here to the level rewards training. So you got more jam-packed training. So you want to start here. There's going to be more ad templates and following up with your prospects and customers, okay? So I advise you guys to get in. Also, like I said, you're going to get these free websites that you get, okay? That's going to have your information on it, okay? Obviously, okay? So you'll be able to use those websites to be able to sign people up whenever you're posting ads. So right now, as you can see, I'm at level 8, so I'm going to earn $40 per ad that I post, okay, which is pretty good, okay? So and I speak with tons of people all day long, okay? So all we want to do is we want to get those people in, and we want to level up to as high as you can so you can earn them, the most amount of money, okay? So the offers I did, I'm just going to show you the offers I did. Look, I did eVoice, okay, and majority of these were free, okay, except for this one because I wanted a domain that I could use specifically for my level rewards program that I'm using. I have multiple sources of income that, other programs that I do, but for this one I wanted to use a specific domain for this particular program that I'm using. Okay, so I did make a small purchase of $2, but it did bump me up $5, okay, for my payout. So it's per person. So in the end, it's going to help me get to $40, per person. So imagine getting tons of people that come through, and everybody gets to level 5. I want to blur out some of these people's information, but imagine signing up all these people and everyone's getting a level 5. Okay, and that's $25 per person. So I say level 5 because that's very obtainable because it's free. Okay, I got to level 5 for doing free offers. Okay, it did not cost me anything. Okay, so I'm going to leave this video on that note and let you guys get to it. There shouldn't be no excuses if you are looking to work from home full time and start earning income. Okay, you want to come down here, complete a free sponsor offer to get in, level up as high as you can, as high as you want. Okay, but if you want to get in and just get a fast start at this thing and get to the training program and get through the training process, I would advise coming to Nelson Rewards. Complete this offer, guys, and then once you complete this offer, it is totally free. It does not cost you anything. You'll be ready to go, and ready to get out here and start making money. Okay, so I'm going to end this video on that note, and I hope to see you guys on the inside. All right, guys, peace.